Hello students, welcome back. So now we are going to be talking about Seaborn's line plot library. This one is primarily used when you want to display your data such that you can see a linear relationship between one variable and the other variable. And one of the variables, generally that's on x-axis, that would be an ordered variable. For example, an year. For example, over here you can see that as the year is going up, your number of passengers has actually increased. So this is one of the simple application of your line plot. So line plots, they are generally used to show trends over an ordered variable. So ordered variable I just showed you was the time variable. And you can visualize change over time or sequence. And these are best when your x-axis has an order. So for example, it could be time, it could be day, it could be size, like size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, size of a shirt maybe. Or this could be an index. Okay, so let's understand all this mumbo jumbo through an example. So I'm importing my Seaborn library. I'm also importing Matplotlib library. And this time I'm using flights dataset. So I'm loading my flights dataset and I'm printing few records of my flight dataset. So this tells me the year, month, and passenger. So in 1949, in the month of January, there were 112 passengers. In year 1949, for the month of February, there were 118 passengers. Okay, so this is like an airline data set. So in this case, let's look at the I want to look at the summary description of this data set. So in this case, it tells me there are total 144 records. All right. And so you have year and you have passenger columns. All right. Now, let's do a line plot first. So in this case, it's a very basic line plot. I'm specifying my X as year and I'm specifying my Y as passengers. So this, in this case, this is right here, this is my year right here. This is my X axis. And this one right here is my Y axis right here. So let's do line plot on this thing. So when I do the line plot, this is how it looks like. So let me decrease the size of screen so it's a little bit more visible. So you can see that as the year has been going up from 1950, 1952, 1954, all the way to 1960, the passengers, the increase, there has been a steadily increase in passengers. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. Let's put some markers. Now over here, you're not seeing any markers. So let's put some markers now. So in this case, I'm data equal to flight, my x equal to year. Let me increase the size of screen back up again. Okay, so my x equal to year, which is my categorical value, my y equal to passengers, which is number of passengers. In this case, I'm specifying my error bar ci, and also I'm putting my marker equal to o over here. Okay, so in this case, let's run this. So when I run this, you can see that now I'm able to see my marker right here. So each data point, now you're able to see marker for the year. Okay, and now let's say you want to do line plot. Now this time you want to do based on the month. So in this particular instance, I did not use you over here, but now I'm going to use you. And what you're going to do is going to distinguish for each month, for January, February, March, and it's going to draw the line plot for each one of them. So in this particular instance right here, you can see that there are basically from January to December, it draws the line plot for each one of the month. Okay, then what if you want to let's say you only want to look at only 1 month, let's say May flights. So in this case, you call your flights and call your query. In this case, you're saying that, okay, just filter me out the records only for the month of May. Okay, and then you put your data inside your line plot, and then my x is equal to year and my y equal to passenger, and this is for the month of May right here. So for the month of May, this the number of passengers in the flight has been going up. Okay, I hope this session helps. Thank you.